सिर्फ प्यार का नगमा है,
Oh,
मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. I think this music I would
wow.
like to play in the
I'm
background
privileged to be listening to
because
this.
yeah, it's so good.
Thank you so much for singing it.
What would be yours?
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm doing amazing. How about you?
I'm doing great too.
Let me guess. This is like your new house, right?
Yes.
Because last time you told me that you were like shifting
Yeah.
or the house is under construction. Ah, perfect. So how's it going? Are you happy? Like all settled down and all
Super
everything?
happy. Super happy.
I can
I
understand.
think I have felt it for the first time. Like staying in your own home gives you different
Yes,
kind of vibes. Yes.
totally, definitely. I can totally relate with you. It's a very special feeling. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now that you have an aesthetic background and like a proper wall and everything else.
Yeah, actually, I was looking for this background things only, especially for videos. Sometimes you get the background, but you don't get the lights. Now
Yes.
it's just fine. The lights, like sunlight, comes directly, and the wall is also background.
Well, yeah, voice also has a pretty color, no? Nice.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Okay. So over here in Bangalore, it's super cold. So like I'm freezing. Uh, and I'm only thinking of how people live in the Arctic. Do you think that you can live a life like that, just somewhere like in a very snowy place, in a very cold place away from the world?
From the world.
Yeah, like in those super far off regions where there are barely any people. Maybe some thousand people are there. That's it. A few thousands.
Uh, I have problem with cold. Like I'm someone who don't even like open the fridge early in the morning.
Doesn't even open.
Yes. To like get the vegetables or something because I have problem with cold. My hand gets freeze most of the times.
My
I
hand freezes most of the time. Mhm.
Yeah, my hand freezes most of the time. I cannot tolerate like if I you know got some if I got something very cold and I cannot hold it for longer. So yes, I have problem with cold.
Same. So you can definitely not live in a very snowy place.
No, but last year, this on this time or at this
At,
time,
at this time, yeah.
yeah, last year at this time I was in Manali. So yeah,
Brave.
I was enjoying a lot, but there also like I was packed from top to bottom, and then I was enjoying snowfall and like roaming around the city. So yes, it was a very good experience.
Mhm.
But when you are at home, you feel like no, I cannot. It's too cold. It's too cold. Like early in the morning, I keep telling my mom like, please let me sleep for 4, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's too cold. Can't you see that?
Oh my God, yes. And you know what I really like about snowy places? I mean, in pictures, not that I like going there, but in pictures, I love seeing these igloos, the houses made of ice. Have you heard of igloos?
Yes, 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 yes.
Very cute they look, right?
So cute. And I also thought that when I was there in Manali that we should, but it was too cold and we were not able to like stay there for long time and we had to get out of there.
Ah,
So
yes. It does look cute, but then it's impossible to stay. So now that it's like all Christmas time and everything's like very joyous, the pictures of like Denmark and Sweden and everything are so wonderful, like during Christmas. I'm just seeing all the pictures and kids enjoying in the snow, and it's very beautiful.
yeah, what the name you mentioned for that like creating small
Igloo?
small houses? Come
Igloo.
again? Igloo.
Igloo. Igloo.
Okay.
Okay, so just try to igloo and Eskimos and reindeers, all these you try to just search. And Christmas in Copenhagen, Christmas in Denmark, all this you just try to see, and you will be fascinated with the whole thing, you know.
Yeah, it's too beautiful. I think Christmas this month of December is very beautiful. Like this winter, this Christmas, this snowfall and everything. It's
True,
just
true. Yes. So you told me that last year you went to Manali, right? So let's say that you were given the option of solo traveling and the option of co-traveling. Co-traveling not with your friends, with strangers, you know. So
beautiful.
which one would you pick?
I think, nowadays it's trend that, I traveled solo. It's a very big deal for people. And I think mostly we get those Instagram posts or reels that the things you should do before, like before 30, solo
Yeah,
travel. I might have listed down few things, but solo travel is not in my list because I'm not someone who can travel solo and enjoy the things. So I would rather choose co-travelers,
co-traveling.
yeah, co-traveling and not like solo travel because I don't know. I am someone like who cannot at least traveling. Though I like spending time with myself, but when it comes to traveling, I don't think I will enjoy it much. So
Exact
yes,
same with me. You know, I love spending time alone, and I do spend it. But that's the thing. So when I'm traveling, I need friends or I need someone, you know, because I'm
yes,
always working alone and just staying alone and stuff like that. So traveling would be fun with friends and people, and it's nice to take pictures with them and fun. Activities
yeah.
are also fun with them, right?
Yes, right. I think traveling gives you lots of memories, fun moments. So you need people around you so that you can make better. You can create better memories or you can create better pictures. Today
Mhm.
itself, I have uploaded last year's pictures of my friends and that Manali
Oh,
trip. So I felt that, oh my God, I'm missing them a lot because yeah, it gives you different kind of happiness when you're with friends and you're like
mhm.
going on a trip,
True.
enjoying. Because anyways, you're working alone, you're staying alone. Alone means, of
Yes.
course, not alone, but you cannot enjoy much.
True, true. Yeah.
So
Okay, it gives you a different feeling. Okay, not it
it
gives you
gives
different.
you a
A
different
different.
feeling. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
I want to ask you one thing.
Sure.
Okay, so this solo travel thing, I have mentioned that it is going viral a lot. People wants to travel
People
solo.
want
So
to
what do
travel.
you think? People want to travel solo. So what do you think? It is like just to show that I am traveling solo, I am brave enough, or it is really like the people are actually there who enjoy solo traveling or
Hmm.
who enjoy their own company and who takes their pictures. I mean, they're traveling solo, they're taking pictures, they're uploading, and they're like, oh, I'm solo traveling.
Okay, yes. So I have spoken to a lot of these people who travel solo, right? And in my opinion, all of them, and you know, I've heard all of them thoroughly enjoy the experience. And these are also very brave people. But a lot of them did not really post pictures or any such thing. You know, they just took one month off. They switched off their phone. Even I couldn't reach them. Only when they came back, they told me all about their trip and what they did and few things, you know. So there are people like that who like to enjoy time privately and cut off from work and their family for just a bit from their friends to discover themselves more, to introspect more, to connect more with nature. So it has that spiritual philosophical side as well to it, you know, where they come back with a fresh spirit. They become like a completely different person. So it helps a lot, solo traveling in many ways. But I do not know about the people who keep posting pictures or are always on their phone while solo traveling. I don't know much about that. Maybe it's a part of their profession, like you know they're earning money while solo traveling, so they can sponsor their other trips. So that is also good in a while. But I like these
Yeah.
travelers more who, cut off from everybody and everything and
Yeah.
the phone.
Since you like got an experience, or you were in touch of you were in
Yes.
like you experienced it personally, so we can say that the group of people exist
Yes.
who actually like solo traveling and who enjoy solo traveling a lot without like just showing it off. So
Yes, they do. Like my friend keeps solo traveling and goes on treks on like all these mountains and stuff. So for like at least 20 days, I cannot like contact him or something like that. It's crazy.
yeah, actually it's crazy and it's brave enough.
Very
It needs a
true.
lot of courage, I think.
Yes,
Yes.
perfect. Okay. So how do you think we can use our leisure wisely?
No, I didn't get you.
Yeah, complicated question. Using our leisure wisely. Leisure means, when you get your free time. You
Yeah.
have no work, so
The
that's
time.
leisure.
Ha
How
ha
can
ha.
you use your leisure in a good way, in a productive, nice way?
Okay, very good question. I think mostly what we do, we spend time on our phone, right? When we
Yes.
have leisure time. So I think it's fine. You can spend your time on your phone, but instead just scrolling Instagram, uh, watch a useful video or something. Yeah, so watch a video which is informative, or which is or you are too much curious about something, but you're not getting time to find out the reason or the
Hmm?
beauty out of it. So just watch that video, or sometimes motivational videos also like works a lot in your life. You're sometimes you're just watching a video, and that impacts you a lot. You can start something new out of it, or it will give you a different perspective about life.
Yes.
Anything. So that is the one thing. Second thing, I don't know whether it is like productive or not, but spending time with someone who gives you a lot of energy or positive
Yes.
vibes,
That's a
or
wise thing to do. Yes.
yeah, I think that is the best thing to do, because nowadays I'm doing that only. I
Oh.
left my job. I am like searching new job, and I'm spending time with my family, with the little one, my sister's son. So I
Oh.
think this time people are just randomly asking me, "What are you doing? What are you up to? Have you got a job or something?" And I'm like, "I'm in process. I'll get it. Let me just enjoy this time, because
Yes.
weekends, when we are working we get weekends, but weekends are something like you already have something to do which you couldn't do in the weekdays, right? So one day you will do that things, and the other day there are so many things, but this time this is completely mine. I don't need to think about, oh, from Monday onwards I will have to join the office, or these things are pending. So I think spending time with your loved ones, or just giving, or just getting that energy, is something
Yes,
wise to
definitely.
spend
I
your leisure time.
totally agree with you. So we are also obsessed with asking people, what do you do? You have to do something, pressurizing them. We don't know what's going on in their lives. Things might be hard. Maybe they're taking a break, and why should we feel a constant need to keep working or having to just keep be in a company or have a job? It's okay to take 5-10 days off, 1 month off, do something different. Your family is as important as anything else. I mean, it's actually the most important thing, right?
Yeah,
So this is one question I actually avoid asking, that what do you do, or what job, or what are you
how do
doing?
you spend your time since you're not working? Like, do you get bored, or where did you go today? I'm like, I don't feel like going anywhere. I am just enjoying this time, and I'm seriously telling you that I never felt that, oh my god, I'm getting bored. No, I
Yes.
just don't get bored. I don't know. But yeah, people are too much curious to ask, and I don't think that you should justify your time. That's why I keep telling that, okay, it's doing good. I'm doing good. It's going great. I'm attending interviews, and I'll probably get a job maybe next week or something. So it's fine.
Yes, definitely you will. Good luck with it. But until then, please make use like of your time as much as you can. I'm with you on this. Don't worry. There's a lot of times where I don't do jobs, I just like relax. I go like with my friends. I spend time with my loved ones. And then when I'm working, I'm constantly working. So there's a balance. Very well.
Yes.
Okay. You are too much curious about something. You're very curious. Okay. Avoid using the phrase too much, right? You're
You're
very,
very curious about.
yeah, when you are very curious about something, etc., etc., right? I'm searching new job, I'm searching for a new job, right?
Searching for new jobs.
Yeah. Okay, so how would it be if life came with a background music? What would be your life's background music?
Oh. um,
Sad
I think
music,
the
mu-
music should be एक प्यार का नगमा है
oh,
मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है. I think this music I would
wow,
like to play in the background.
to be
It's
listening to this.
yeah, it's so good.
Thank you so much for singing it.
What would be yours?
I already have this habit that when I'm walking on the street or something, I keep saying, "Toot, toot, toot, toot." In cartoons, and Nobita and Shinchan have that sound.
Oh, wow.
So I'm always saying, "Toot, toot, 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 toot." I'm always doing that in my mind because I have
Wow.
watched so much cartoon. So,
Okay, okay, okay. So you like that world of cartoon or that fun-loving thing?
yeah,
Like
I like
always, you
walking
also
on the
want that.
street. You know how Nobita is walking on the street? I
Yes,
imagine myself walking on the
I
street.
can imagine that. Yes, yes, exactly. That gives you immense happiness, I think. Just,
Exactly. It's
just
just so
fun.
much. Yeah, I just love that so much. And I told one of my friends to bake me a cartoon cake on my birthday this year. And I'm
This
going
year.
to, yeah, in Feb, right? So I'm going to post a picture of that. And if I can, I will share it with you. Cartoon cakes are brilliant. I want to share it with everybody.
Yeah, yes, yes. I think I bought a Doraemon cake for that little one last year, and you just don't feel like cutting that cake. You just want to just watch it or just keep looking at it.
No,
It's
no, but
so
cartoon cakes are different. This is cartoon themed cake, what you're talking about. Cartoon cakes are something totally different. Okay, I will show it to you. I will
yeah,
show off
please.
this.
Yes.
Okay, I had such a great session with you. You should take more classes from me.
Yes, I also think so. But mostly you were reserved. So I try to, but let's
Ah,
see.
perfect. Okay,
It was
I really
nice talking
enjoyed.
to
Fine. Tiny mistakes here and there with articles, just keep a check, okay? Once or twice you missed a. So keep a check on that. Otherwise, don't need to worry. Always such a fun loving conversation with you. Come
you.
back for
Yes,
more.
always, always. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.